Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about household items. So let's get started. But before going into it, let's see what is a house. A house is a place in which we live. All living beings, such as animals, birds, and humans, need a place to live. It keeps us safe from bad weather, such as rain, sunlight, storm, and other natural disasters. That's why we need a house. So let's see a few household items. Gruhamu or illu, which is a house. Kuchi, which is a chair. Balla, which is a table. Bavi, which is a well. Mancham or panpu, which is a bed. Parupu, which is a mattress. Duppati, that is a blanket. Dindu, a pillow. Talupu, a door. Kitiki, a window. Goda, a wall. Sanchi, which is a bag. Talam, that is a lock. Talam chevi, that is a key. Lock and a key. Talam chevi. Sutti, a hammer. Meku, nail. Sabbu, soap. Godugu, an umbrella. Butta, basket. Petti, box. Aggi pette, that is a matchbox. Kattera, scissor. Sudi daram, needle and thread. Kovatti, a candle. Now, let's see what are the few rooms that are seen in a house. Puja Gadi, that is a place to worship God. Padaka Gadi, a place where you sleep, bedroom. Vanta Gadi, a place where you cook food, kitchen. Snanala Gadi, a place where you take a bath, bathroom. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys had an idea about what are the household items and what are the different rooms you find usually in a house. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, learn and imbibe.